Hello everybody, welcome back to this course. Now I'm going to tell you a browser that you can install with the help of command line interface in the Kali Linux. Just run this command in the root mode apt install konqu. Let me show you the spellings like konqueror and then press enter. It can take some times, but I already installed it, so that's why it show me it is already installed. So how the conquerors look like this one. It is simple, lightweight web browser. You need many more browsers in the Linux, so that's why the optional browser is this one. I simply type here www.google.com and here is the result. So that's it. Even you can launch it from your browser like this one and close it. Clear it. Also clear it. Okay, let's try to install the uh, Chromium browser through the command line in the root mode. apt install chromium and it is installed. You can also install the Chromium through the command line. Now type apt install Firefox and Firefox minus ESR. Okay, if you want to install the Firefox browser, then you need to use apt install Firefox minus ESR through the command line, and your Chromium and Firefox browser is successfully installed in your Kali Linux. Okay, that's it for this lecture. If you need to install the browser in the Kali Linux, and the last thing is that if you want to install the Opera browser, then you need to manually download the file of Opera from the Opera website and then install with the command dpkg minus. First give the root permission and then type dpkg minus I and the Opera file. So it automatically installed, and here is the Opera in the Kali Linux. That's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.